Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Natural Hilda here, and today we're going to do a wash and go hair video. On this video, I'm going to try Tony Airo's hair product. I chose to go with Tony Airo's Siri Coconut Shampoo. The conditioner, I chose to go with Tony Airo's Mint Conditioner. For the leave-in treatment, I chose to go with Bamsi Baby Love Treatment, which also has menthol therapy. Detangler, I chose to go with Tony Airo's Kids Detangler, which is really good. My wash day, I usually use the detangler and spray it all over my hair and make sure each and every part of my hair is filled with the detangler. After that, you use your hands to rub the detangler all over the hair. You can see I'm finished washing my hair and the shrinkage is real. And now I'm going to apply my Bamsi Baby Love Leave-In Treatment, which has menthol therapy. Apply it directly to your scalp and massage it well, so that you can go on feeling the menthol therapy. It feels so nice. The menthol therapy. Oh, I can feel the itching in this leave-in treatment. And now you can go ahead and style your hair. Use the essential hair oils you use on your hair. Mine, I usually use the Tony Airo's essential hair, which includes avocado oil, tea tree oil, coconut, and this is the style that I achieved and I'm going with.
You're a pixel on a screen. Your animating principle is nowhere to be seen. Why am I